Halloween. Halloween, also referred to as All Hallows' Eve, is a holiday that's celebrated in America on October 31st of each year, regardless of what day of the week this date falls on. Although it is rooted in religion, Halloween today is enjoyed mainly because of its decorations, costumes, candy, treats, and general excitement, and furthermore, it is enjoyed by almost everyone. Before Halloween, many individuals carve a design into an orange-colored pumpkin or a solid durable vegetable. Once a personally satisfying design is carved, a lit candle is typically put inside a pumpkin, thereby making it a jack-o'-lantern. At night, this design lights up against the darkness. Besides carving pumpkins, some celebrate Halloween by putting decorations up. Supernatural, referring in this case to non-natural creatures that are typically based in fiction, figures, including vampires, ghosts, werewolves, zombies, and more, generally account for most of these decorations. Bugs, spiders, cobwebs, gravestones, and anything else that can be considered creepy or unusual and possibly scary can also be found on Halloween in decoration form. Only some adults celebrate Halloween, and they generally do so by attending parties. Inversely, the vast majority of children dress in costume. Halloween costumes can be based upon anything, from the mentioned supernatural creatures to the stars of today's films, and walk from door to door in search of candy. A practice known as trick or treat, on Halloween. After knocking on a door, houses that participate in Halloween usually leave a light on, one says, trick or treat, and a piece or pieces of candy is given to him or her. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.